The PS5 ShareFactoryStudio recently added new creator packs to their collection. This video will focus on showing you all that the classic arcade creator pack can offer you. Generally there are custom intros, outros, stickers, screenshots, transitions and titles, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. Let's start with the classic arcade intro, title and outro. Then there's the classic arcade screenshots. And then the classic arcade transitions. And these are the classic arcade stickers. And here are the text fonts. So that's a basic summary of the classic arcade creator pack. Here's some videos to watch next. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. Please use support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. And thanks very much for watching, and bye.